Think about something to make for dinner. I got just the thing. Get a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of mustard. Add 4 tablespoons of honey. I just love honey, and I think honey makes everything better. But if you don't have any honey, you can definitely substitute it with some brown sugar. And you're going to add 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then you're going to mix it all up till it's smooth and combined. Then going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and then a teaspoon of pepper and mix it all up. Once it's all combined, now it's ready for our chicken. We're going to add about 1.5 kilograms of chicken. We're going to coat it generously in the sauce. So once it's done, we're going to pan fry it in our oil. So we're going to pan fry that skin side down. And we want to give this like 5 minutes on the stove top. We're going to also add some garlic as well. So about 6 cloves of garlic. And we're going to make sure we coat the chicken in the garlic. Make sure we get all of that aromatics. Don't forget to add the rest of the sauce as well and some butter. So once it's done, we're going to place it in a baking pan and we're going to add the sauce that was left over in the pan, and then we're going to top the chicken on top of the sauce, and we're going to add also some can of Coca-Cola on top. Bake it in the oven for 180 degrees for 1.5 hours. Once your chicken is done, you're going to take out the sauce so you can thicken it up with some flour. So you're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour, mix it up until it's smooth and combined. And then you're going to add this back into your chicken. Once it's ready, serve it with some scallions. Serve it while it's hot. This sweet, delicious, succulent chicken that you'll keep asking for more.